Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding UAT Mandal mentakasngi ke arpo hendri tarik menaitung arajar arpo sau ulalaj ban kemi biang dalade ke jing penteri ke Jingkieng hadam Umïam bat ulalap bagi kam kerajaan deblut Baroh lajno satangkat tokat ni ke bidang sa baru kermen baya ke Jingkieng an pelatno ban Ïaid kali kibawan mar persya na Baroh Arliang jong ke Jingkieng. Lasan ran lang yo mondal do Commissioner and Secretary jong Ketenat Boarding Usan J Goyal ubadairu Chairman cum Managing Director jong Megalia Energy Corporation Limited nalor ba Blooming Star wa lang Director Generation ke MEPGCL bat ki officer jong ke MEECL bat ki breo ke company ITD Cementation ki kamban maramot ye ke Jingkieng dam Umïam bat jingsam thleu ban the do bilat thmai ke jaka baden ye ke pung Umïam kala sedang nadu ke siteng mit jong ke khat sau tarik unok pra arajar arpulai mondal ulo ong ba ukermen ba an sepelat no ban Ïaid ki kali na Baroh Arliang jong ke Jingkieng hapo jong niu Bnai naitung bat kiwei ki kam ke bedang sa an pentrei klem da sya penwit namar ke Ïaid ki kali lingba kini ke Jingkieng. Syusyu menteri ulah pentip berubah kala asngi ubelai ka arpu kendai trik unaitung arajar arpu sau kandon ke jingya kenduk jong ka high power committee ban shimrai ha ka baki reu shempang na ka IIT Guwahati DGP PWD bat ki board district na East Khasi Hills bat na Riboy district.
Started these DRIP programs, dam rehabilitation and improvement programs, on the midnight of 14 December, and we have almost completed every components. Some minor work is left that will be continued, but that will not hamper the passing of traffic and all. So very soon the high power committee will sit on Monday and will fix the date for opening this bridge, and hopefully within this month we will open the bridge if everything goes well. And we have called our consultant IIT also to attend to the meeting, and so also the DGP, the PWD officials, and also the district administration from both sides, Khasi Hills side and Riboy side. So we are hoping that without hampering the passage of traffic, the remaining minimal work will be continued.